So this is my rack for 2017 June ascent summit attempt on Mount Rainier up Disappointment Cleaver. This is everything I have with the exception of a few items. I posted this video as a reference for people thinking about doing it and to get some feedback from people who have done it and maybe have some comments, adjustments I could make. I welcome any kind of comment, feedback you've got for me. So we'll start with the pack. This is an Osprey Atmos 65. It's got many miles on it. I don't know if it will be big enough, so I might replace that with a Voltoro 85. Sleep system. I'm going to be sleeping on a Thermarest X-Therm pad, a Mountain Hardwear Phantom 15 bag, a North Face Assault 3 tent. There will be 3 of us. It will be tight in there. Gravel helmet, can't remember the model. Edelweiss 8.5 mil 60 meter dry line. Black diamond gaiters. I just replaced my heavy Omega with a nice light black diamond axe. Going with aluminum crampons, mountaineering crampons. They're a lot lighter than my G10s, and they don't have the bail back. So, and I prefer the gated back. La Sportiva Nepal Evo boots and REI down booties are a maybe. I'm gonna look into that. I do run a little cold. For layers, I've got a Patagonia lightweight Capilene tee, a Merino blend Mountain Hardwear quarter zip base, which is one of my favorites. I haven't figured out what I'm going to go with for a light thermal top yet, so I'll update that when I figure it out. But Black Diamond soft shell, Marmot Super Mica rain shell is going to be my hard shell. I'm still on the fence because this is really just a rain jacket. My Alpine shell is like 3 times heavier. Might need to do a little more reading on that. For a heavier weight thermal top, I've got a Patagonia Nano Puff, which is very warm. It might be a little warmer than I need for this layer, but it's the same weight as my Power Stretch, and so I'm going to go with that. Gets real cold at night or at the summit. The Patagonia Fitzroy down parka. On the bottom, I've got underpants are Ex Officio, which are my favorite underpants. Lightweight shorts, icebreaker, lightweight base, that's merino wool, and then a thermal weight Capilene bottom, which can actually be worn together if it's really cold. Arc'teryx Gamma LT pant, soft shell pant, and then ultra heavy Mountain Hardwear Gore-Tex Alpine shell, which I've probably had for 8 years. On the feet, I've got I use a liner, Injinji liner actually. They're toe socks. They're very comfortable. I'll put them on at the start and I won't take them off the entire trip. I wear ski socks actually when mountaineering. They're a little less heavy than the mountaineering socks, but they fit a lot better. I prefer them. And then I do have a pair of heavyweight mountaineering socks for camp. On the hands, got a EMS Power Stretch base. Outdoor Research soft shell glove, and my favorite cold weather glove of all time is Black Diamond Soloist finger glove. Very warm. Head and face, Smart Wool Nexus Skin beanie. Just a little gator balaclava or gator kind of buff for neck. Very comfortable. I've had it for ages. It's some kind of synthetic. And Black Diamond balaclava. Safety kit, of course. Toiletries, spoon, earplug, toothbrush, body glide, chapsticks, etc. Electronics, little external battery for the phone and watch. My watch is a Suunto Ambit 2 Sapphire. It's a fantastic watch. Altimeter, barometer. I'll actually put a map on there for our route, which will be Disappointment Cleaver. Just a headlamp. Glacier goggles are the cheap jewel blow. Goggles. And then for my rack, I'm still working this out because I do a bit of rock climbing, but I don't have a lot of experience in glacier travel or crevasse rescue. So I'm still kind of dialing in what I need. But what I've got so far is the older version of the Black Diamond coiler harness. Really light, really uncomfortable, but it does the job if you fall into a crevasse. So shouldn't be hanging from any lines outside of that scenario on this trip anyway. Pear-shaped beaner, locking gate. Probably won't take the belay device. A couple locking gate carabiners, a couple 3 wire gate carabiners, and some prussics, and of course a pulley just in case. And a rope knife, just for my own sanity. A couple towels, bandana for camp. I'll have 2 Nalgene's, 2 insulated pouches, titanium pot for melting water and cooking. Little Z-pad is worth the wait to me, and a few dry bags for clothes. I keep my sleeping bag actually in this Big Agnes pump house, which also pumps up my sleeping pad. It's kind of silly, but it's really effective, and I've used it for a long time. I really enjoy it. And then just another bag for my food. That about does it. What I haven't shown is a Pickett, which I haven't received yet, and I might end up with another lightweight layer on top, and I'm still on the fence about avalanche beacon and probe. I got to do a little more reading on the route we're taking and the time of year, so I'll follow up with that on this video. But I hope this was helpful. Please post comments, give me your feedback, ask questions I might not be able to answer. Thank you.